Alright, so probably the reason why you click on this video is because you want to know how you can actually recover deleted files, right? And don't worry, my video is not like any other video on YouTube out there, which doesn't really show you how to, recover. Most of the, tutorial out there is just recover from recycle bin, all this and that, which I think everyone knows how to do it, alright? But for me, it's more of an in-depth recovery. Alright, so that means the data is fully deleted, alright, even in recycle bin has been fully deleted, alright, or corrupted or virus infected. Alright, there is a way for you guys to get it back. Alright, so you are in luck, and today I am going to show you this software right here. Alright, so this is the MiniTool data recovery software. Alright, and it's a freeware that you guys can use to recover your deleted files. Alright, no matter how long ago the deleted files is, it could be months or years, alright, it is still able to get it back. Alright, and even if, like I say, if you have it corrupted files or virus infected files, it can also get it back for you. So this is a really powerful tool that I myself have used it for a long time. Alright, so as the content creator myself, alright, I have been with a lot of time with corrupted files and accidental deletion of files. Alright, because I deal with a lot of videos, a lot of audios and shots, all this and that, and sometimes if you were to plug out and plug in, or sometimes your camera may fail, your audio recording hardware may fail and such, and lead to a corrupted file, and if I want to re-record again, it's gonna take a long time. So with this software, it can help me solve all these problems and save a lot of time by recovering them or repairing them. Alright, so right now I'm gonna show you this software and what it can recover, and I'm going to show you a bit of a demonstration. Alright, so for now, let me just show you the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the software itself. Alright, and it has detected all my drive here. Alright, so I have a few drive and even my partitions as well. Alright, your drive partitions are also detected, so if you have some problem with your partitions, you can also delete it, or modify it or repair it. Alright, and you can also recover from a specific location. They have it right here. You can recover from desktop, recycle bin, selected folder, or load manually. Alright, so if you want to find a specific file, it's well categorized for you to find specifically where it is. Alright, and you can also have the utilities. If let's say if you are doing a BIOS update or Windows update, and suddenly you loss of power and the Windows update fails, alright, you are unable to get into your PC, you can always create a data recovery bootable, alright, to repair it as well. Alright, so to make sure that you are able to boot back into Windows safely with all your files there. Alright, or a video repair. Alright, this I also use it a lot of times because sometimes the video can get corrupted in the camera itself, right, when the SD card is either full or the SD card is failing. Alright, happens to me a lot of time. This is a really helpful tool. Alright, so as you can see, this software not only does help you recover, repair files in your hard disk or solid state drive, it can also help you with other things as well. So this software is really worth it. Alright, it includes free utilities when you purchase this software itself. Alright, and you also have scan settings, and you can specifically scan what you want. Alright, so if you have specific file you want to scan, you can specifically choose what you want to scan, so the scan will be faster, alright, and save you a lot of time. Alright, and they have different type of file system that you can choose what to scan specifically. Alright, but for today's demonstration, I am going to use my USB stick. Alright, because my hard disks are over a few terabytes long, alright, and they have been written and deleted a lot of data that is more than over 100 terabytes, alright, in its lifetime. So we use this thumb drive, alright, to do a quick demonstration by deleting the files away and recovering it using this software itself. So let me just do a quick plug in my USB drive. Alright, and this one you can see they have detected it. Alright, so this is my USB drive, contains a few stuff. Alright, so as you can see, this specific folder you guys to focus on, it is my important files. Alright, what's included inside here is probably an MP4 video. Alright, let me just show you in large icon. Alright, a video itself. Alright, audio recording. Alright, PowerPoint slides, and a picture here. Alright, so these are what's inside my important files. So these are really important to me. So what happens if I accidentally deleted it? Alright, so they say, are you sure to permanently delete this folder? Alright, so I'm gonna say yes. Oh no, it's gone. Oh, could it be in my recycle bin? Let me just check. Oh crap, it's not in my recycle bin. I couldn't get it back. There's no way I could get it back. oh my god, oh dear, what can you do now? Alright, so now with this software, you can easily get it back. Alright, so without me lying, alright, let me just show you. Alright, my USB drive. Alright, as you can see, my important files folder is completely gone, so there's no way I can get it back. Alright, it's not in recycle bin or anywhere else. There's no way I can get it back. Alright, so let me just go to under. You can just find here, or you can go to devices, which shows every hard disk, solid state drive I have. Alright, and this is my USB drive. Alright, let's click on it, let's go scan. Alright, and they will scan all the files you have. Alright, so now the scan has finished, and as you guys can see, it has found 15,407 lost files. Alright, so my thumb drive is only 32 gig, but it has found 67.81 gigabytes of data that has been, his whole lifespan has stored up to 67.81 gigabytes. So multiple data has been overwritten over and over again. But with this software, you can find all the lost file. Alright, you can find all the new existing partition, the lost file inside the existing partition, system volume, all these. You can see every single one of it. Alright, it is over here. Alright, so you can see you can have a preview of this one, what kind of file type it is. Alright, some are premier file type. Alright, they have raw files as well. Alright, it's a PNG image file. You see, these are all the files that have been deleted throughout the years. Alright, there's a preview of them over here, so you can see which file you want to exactly recover. Alright, unfortunately, just now the one that I deleted, I have to slowly find one by one. Alright, but if I slowly find one by one, it's going to take this video very, very long. Alright, but you can see, alright, these are the Excel files, so you can see which one might be the file that you have deleted. Alright, so there's only two, so you can just select two and then just save, and then you can export it to wherever you want and see is that the Excel file you are currently going at. Alright, these are all the recovered MP4 file. Alright, MP3 file, Adobe, Photoshop, all are very well categorized. So if you are looking for a specific file, alright, you can specifically navigate to the one that, you know, if you're looking for Photoshop file, alright, and then there you can see all the Photoshop file. Unfortunately, you don't know what it is because the name is only right as recovered, so you probably have to recover all and slowly see one by one. Alright, but at least it gets your file back, right? Alright, so yeah, these are JPEG files. Some have the preview, so you can see the preview itself. PNG files, all these, SWF file, crucial file, all these. Alright, so some of the files have been deleted for a very, very long time. Alright, I remember I worked on this project. This game project, alright, back in 2017, and all the files are there. Look at this, guys. Look at this. All the files, all the texture packs are all there. Remember? So yeah, everything is all there, which is really, really incredible, right? You can see all the project that I've worked on. Alright, this is back in 2016, 2017. That's 6 to 7 years ago of data inside here. It has been recovered, and you can preview them as well, and you can recover them if you want to. So yeah, so this thing, no matter how long ago you have deleted it, alright, it is able to recover back. Alright, so yeah, it's very, very, very useful. You can search as well, so that's how you see a search. Okay, you can search for a specific file type, alright, and they will give you the, you know, maybe I search for import, right? They will give you all the stuff with import, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, so this one can save you a lot of time as well. You can also filter by file type, date modify, file size, and file category. So if you know specifically your file type or file size, all this and that, you can specifically filter it, so make your search much, much easier. Alright, you can preview. Alright, you can select a file to preview it. Alright, so yeah, it is possible to preview it. You can export your scan result, all this and that. Alright, so yeah, this thing is a very, very useful tool, alright, that can actually recover all of your lost files. Alright, so yeah, if you guys want a software, alright, that actually works and can actually recover, and you know, all the corrupted files, deleted files, all these, alright, this is the software that I would recommend you have using this software for a long time and without any issues at all. So you can fully trust this software, alright, and yeah, it works like wonders very easily with a few clicks, and you can get your file back. Alright, so once again, if you want to check out this software, I'll link them, the first link in the video description down below for you guys to download it and try it out for free. Alright, if you guys like it, you guys can definitely get a license to recover more files. Alright, and yeah, you can also help your friends out or anyone facing issues with deleted files, corrupted files, crashing, all this and that. You can definitely use this software. So once again, I'll link this software in the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. If you find this video really helpful and interesting, let me know in the comment section as well. And if you want more video like this in the future, also let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Cry.